Rotation of the Earth. A very familiar kind of rotation is when a spherical, three-dimensional object turns around an invisible line inside its center. This center is called an axis. Spinning basketball turn around an axis. Globes turn around an axis. The Earth itself spins on axis. The Earth also moves the Sun. This movement is called revolution, which is different from rotation. Objects rotate around an axis but revolve around other objects, so the Earth rotates around its axis as it revolves around the Sun. It takes the Earth 365 1/4 days or 1 year to complete a revolution. Revolution of the Earth. While revolution is often used as synonym from rotation is many fields, particular astronomy and related fields. Revolution, often referred to as orbital revolution for clarity, is used when one body moves around another, while rotation is used to mean the movement around an axis. Moons revolve around their planet. Planets revolve about their stars, such as Earth around the Sun, and the star slowly revolve about their galaxial center. The motion of components of galaxies is complex, but it usually includes a rotation component. The fourth season of the Earth. Summer. Summer is the hottest of fourth temperate season, falling after spring and before autumn. At or around the summer solstice, about 3 days before Midsummer Day. The earliest sunrise and latest sunset occurs. The days are longest and the nights are the shortest, with day length decreasing as the season progresses. After the solstice, the date of the beginning of summer varies according to climate, tradition, and cultures. Autumn. Autumn, also known as fall in North American English, is one of the four temperate seasons. Outside the tropics, autumn marks the transition from summer to winter. In September, Northern Hemisphere, or March, Southern Hemisphere, when the duration of daylight becomes noticeably shorter and the temperature cools considerable, day length decreases and night length is increased as the season progresses until the winter solstice in December, Northern Hemisphere, and June, Southern Hemisphere. One of its main features in temperate climates in the shedding of leaves from deciduous trees. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year in polar and temperate zones. It does not occur in the most of the tropical zones. It occurs after autumn and before spring in each year. Winter is caused by the axis of the Earth in that hemisphere being oriented away the sun. Different cultures define different days as start of winter, and some use definition based on whether when it is winter in the northern hemisphere it is summer in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. In many regions, winter is associated with snow and freezing temperatures. Spring. Spring, also known as springtime, is one of the four temperate seasons, succeeding winter and preceding summer. There are various technical definitions of spring, but local usage of the term varies according to the local climate, cultures, and custom. When it is spring in the north hemisphere, it is autumn in the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. At the spring or vernal equinox, days and nights are approximately 12 hours long, with daytime length increasing and nighttime length decreasing as season progresses.